Buckle up, gearheads. This countdown is all about the best electric screwdriver set and getting you the perfect toolkit upgrade. From speed to precision and battery life, we're breaking down the top picks so you know what actually works in the shop. Today, I'm going to be going over the best electric screwdriver set that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 10, we have Fantic Eon Max Electric Screwdriver. This compact powerhouse blends ergonomic grip with a confident grip and a balanced weight that sits nicely in the hand for long sessions. It comes with a versatile 12-position torque clutch and a quick-change 1/4-inch hex chuck, letting you switch from delicate electronics to stubborn fasteners without breaking your concentration. Built-in LED illuminating a tight workspace, and the slim form factor keeps your wrist aligned during overhead work. The battery is a reliable lithium pack that accepts USB-C charging, so top-ups are quick between tasks. Kit includes a rich set of bits that cover slotted, Phillips, and Posidrive styles, plus magnetic bit holders that minimize dropped screws. The Eon Max shines on small to mid-size projects where precision and speed matter more than brute torque. Compared to the Skill Twist 2 screwdriver, which I have included as number 9 on this list, the Fantic model emphasizes a longer runtime and a lower handle profile that helps you reach narrow crevices. At number 9, we have Skill Twist 2 Zero Screwdriver. This model leans into comfort with a mid-size handle that fits a wide range of grips and a pivoting head that lets you switch between straight driving and angled access in seconds. Uses a compact rechargeable motor with steady torque and a soft touch trigger that offers sensitive control during lash-tight assembly. The 2-twist feature provides repeatable torque steps and an intuitive feel that makes it easy to learn for hobbyists. While a bright LED banner lights up the work surface without glare, a USB-C charger keeps the battery reliable for day-long projects. And the included bit set offers essential slotted and Phillips options plus a couple of specialty bits. Compared to the Fantic Eon Max electric screwdriver, which I have included as number 10 on this list, the Skill Twist 2 emphasizes controlled torque and a pivoting head that excels in awkward angles. At number 8, we have Unimella Mini Electric Screwdriver Set. This tiny kit is all about precision electronics work and quick, clean fastener action in tight spaces. The 60-piece bit assortment covers micro slots, hex, and star shapes, while the miniature motor spins with a gentle cadence ideal for circuit boards and tiny housing. Ergonomic handle reduces fatigue during delicate tasks, and the magnetic bit holder helps you keep screws in place while you work. A foldable cord and a lightweight shell improve portability, and the LED ring illuminates tiny screw holes without overdoing brightness. The battery is a compact lithium pack that charges via USB-C, so top-ups are simple on the go. Compared to the Skill Twist 2 screwdriver, which I have included as number 9 on this list, Unimella's kit prioritizes microcontrol and portability for electronics over heavy-duty driving. At number 7, we have Hi-Spec Electric Screwdriver Kit. This value-packed kit positions itself as a full problem solver for home projects, with adjustable torque, a broad head assortment, and a strong chuck that accepts standard bits. Design emphasizes an easy grip handle, a quick-change chuck, and a reversible drive that helps you work from either direction without repositioning your hands. Illumination comes from an integrated LED that reduces shadows in dim cabinets, while the ergonomic balance supports longer sessions without wrist strain. Included carrying case keeps bits organized and ready, and the 12-volt class battery delivers predictable performance across a day of tasks. Compared to the Fantic Eon Max electric screwdriver, which I have included as number 10 on this list, Hi-Spec stands out for its all-in-one kit approach and wide bit selection that suits varied projects. At number 6, we have Skill Cordless Screwdriver. This option pairs familiar skill reliability with a straightforward, no-nonsense design that beginners appreciate. A practical trigger delivers steady speed control, while the motor's torque is tuned to prevent over-tightening common with light to medium tasks. Soft grip handle keeps fatigue at bay, and the bright LED work light helps when you are assembling in dim corners. The 1/4-inch chuck is compatible with a broad range of bits, and the kit includes multiple slotted and Phillips bits plus a few specialty shapes. Charging is simple with a compact USB adapter, making it easy to keep on hand in a drawer or toolbox. Compared to the Hi-Spec electric screwdriver kit, which I have included as number 7 on this list, Skill Cordless Screwdriver emphasizes simplicity and reproducible results for routine projects. At number 5, we have Hi-Spec Electric Screwdriver Set. This broader set builds on Hi-Spec's reputation with a robust bit library, reinforced housing, and a balanced motor that rewards consistent driving. A robust clutch system lets you tune the torque in steps, while the reversible motor favors both left and right-handed users. The LED ring provides uniform illumination without harsh hotspots, and the soft touch grip maintains comfort through long assembly sessions. A magnetic bit rail keeps bits in place when you set the screwdriver down, and a durable case ensures everything returns to its slot after every project. Compared to the Skill cordless screwdriver, which I have included as number 6 on this list, Hi-Spec electric screwdriver set adds a more expansive kit and stronger vertical storage to tackle bigger tasks. At number 4, we have Precision Magnetic Electronics Screwdriver Set. This specialized collection is designed for tiny electronics with precision tips and magnetized bits that make tiny screws feel effortless. The handles are slim and well balanced, reducing finger fatigue when you work on circuit boards or compact devices. Magnetic tips hold screws steady as you approach fragile components, while color-coded tips help you identify the right bit at a glance. The set includes pentalobe, Torx, and slot varieties crafted for electronics work, with high-quality stainless storage case. Small, reliable battery-powered base charges the included micro-USB LED light, letting you work in the smallest gaps. Compared to the Hi-Spec electric screwdriver set, which I have included as number 5 on this list, Precision Magnetic Electronics Screwdriver set specializes in microscale accuracy over bulk torque. At number 3, we have DKO Pro Cordless Drill. This is a compact drill driver that adds real drilling capability to the lineup, with a variable speed motor and a masonry-friendly chuck that can handle small holes and fasteners alike. The design emphasizes balance and control, with a 2-speed setting and a comfortable grip that minimizes fatigue during longer sessions. Interchangeable bits and a robust battery pack let you tackle wood, plastic, and light metal projects with confidence. The drill features an integrated clutch for driving and a LED work light that remains consistent as you switch speeds. The kit's bit assortment includes drill bits, drivers, and screws, creating a versatile tool for DIY tasks. Compared to the Precision Magnetic Electronics Screwdriver set, which I have included as number 4 on this list, DKO Pro Cordless Drill brings true drilling capability into the mix for more ambitious projects. At number 2, we have Mini Cordless Screwdriver Set. This ultra-compact set thrives in corner work and electronics assembly where space is at a premium. The small motor delivers controlled torque and a gentle spin that protects delicate fasteners, while the slim handle reduces fatigue during precision tasks. Magnetic bit tray and quick change chuck help you swap bits in seconds, and the bright LED ring makes microscrew insertion far easier. A compact battery pack keeps the weight down and enables easy portability for field repairs or hobby work. Kit includes 40 to 60 bits that cover slotted, Phillips, hex, and specialty electronics tips. Compared to the DKO Pro Cordless Drill, which I have included as number 3 on this list, Mini Cordless Screwdriver set shines in tight spaces where a drill would be overkill. At number 1, we have Hi-Spec Electric Screwdriver. This top-tier option blends power with finesse, offering a high-torque motor that still behaves well at low speeds for sensitive fittings. The ergonomic handle is designed for all-day use, and the quick-change chuck makes switching bits fast and intuitive. Robust clutch lets you dial in torque precisely, while the LED guidance lights keep your work area evenly illuminated. The included bit set covers the essentials, and then some, and the magnetic tip rail keeps everything organized so you can work without searching for the right tool. The battery delivers sustained performance across a long session of assembly. Compared to the Mini Cordless Screwdriver set, which I have included as number 2 on this list, Hi-Spec Electric Screwdriver represents the best blend of reliability, range, and everyday practicality.